Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, find calendar and click on it. Now tap on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose got it, and finally tap on the month above. Over here you can select a month and pick a date by tapping on the best one. And after that, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, choose event, then customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting or ending hour, choose location over here, choose while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. You can also set up notifications hours, minutes or even weeks before and take notes. When you're ready, choose save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by tapping on it, clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner and making your changes. Then choose save at the top right corner again. And if you wish to delete your event, you can also do that by tapping on it, but this time selecting those three dots over here at the top right corner, choosing delete and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!